Hello, this is a demo for Hdfury integral2 connection to X4 for demo HDR to SDR and ambient function. Also, we have offered optical output to Sony amplifier for output audio. The connection right now we are use the Xbox for top port input and the bottom port is Amazon Fire TV. The output top port to connect to X4 and the output we use a normal 1080p TV for show the HDR to SDR. Okay. The output for integral2 bottom port connect to a 4K TV. Right now the screen is stay on the Xbox. We collect the input to switch it to Amazon TV like this. The X4 ambient output is very easy. Just connect the AUX port with our white cable and for power to a USB female. In our environment, we want to very bright, so we stick for 2 LED with the 2 USB to 4-pin connector. So we include the USB splitter to 2 ports. Then you can have the double bright like this. Okay, right now let us see the demo.
No matter what I did to get it, my money is now tainted by my crime, which makes it tricky to spend.
Thank you for watching.